How to get custom alarm sound on iPhone. First, make sure your music is downloaded and you have GarageBand app. Now open it and click on the audio recorder option. After you're in there, now tap the playlist icon at the top until you see a microphone, then tap the blue triangle icon to ensure it's white. Now click on the loop icon, go to the file section and browse for the sound you downloaded. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like watching our contents. Now, after browsing it, choose the file that you want as a ringtone, long press the sound and drag it to the timeline to create your track. At the top right, click on the plus icon. Here, toggle off the switch next to automatic and set the time to 15 seconds. Once that's done, tap on done. Now that the sound is on timeline, tap the arrow at the top left and select My Songs. If your sound doesn't appear in the recent section, check the Browse section to export it. Long press your sound, select Share and choose the ringtone option. Give your sound a name and tap Export. Your custom sound is now saved as a ringtone. Finally, let's set this custom sound as an alarm tone. So go back to your home screen and click on your alarm app. Now keep an alarm and then choose sound. And there, scroll up and then you'll see custom sound option. And just click on that and there you go, your custom ringtone has been set. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.